What's up, everybody? Hey, I'm climbing Yushan tomorrow, Taiwan's tallest mountain. But let me show you guys how to get ready for that. The first thing you gotta do, you gotta apply for a few things. Okay, so I'm not gonna show you guys exactly how to apply for permits for Jade Mountain, but I am going to show you the website that I used that was very informative and made applying for permits extremely easy. As you can see, there are a ton of websites that gives you information on how to apply for permits for Yushan. This was the one that me and my friends found to be the most useful, and so I will go ahead and show you right now. So this is the Nomad family, and it's a cute little blog of this travel family. Look at them, they are so adorable. As you can see, Jade Mountain is actually not that hard because, well, they brought their toddler up. But anyways, this was the website that I found, and as you can see, they listed pretty much everything you need to know, including on how to get the permit. So just follow the directions here. They even added all the links for you to click on. From there on out, it's pretty straightforward, and they recommend that you do this about a month to 4 months in advance to when you actually want to do the hike. Once you get approved for all of that, it's time to start packing. Here's what I'm bringing. My hiking pack, a trekking pole, an inflatable pillow, a beanie, a buff, a headlamp, a poncho, my Patagonia puffer jacket, my very warm alpaca sweater, my basic ass Adidas sweats, my not so waterproof hiking shoes, lots of snacks, okay. Hydro flask covered in stickers, and of course, a camera. And after all of that is done, if you haven't by then, you probably want to find some of the coolest people to do the hike with. Is it any cool people? Any cool people? Where's Eddie? Anyways, yeah, so here's the cool people. Chris, Eddie, Grace, Melissa. We've been planning this trip for 2 months, and we're finally here. Finally. Well, there you have it, folks. So, cool kids, we're out. Ready? Cool kids on 3. 1, 2, 3. Cool kids. All right, bye. Alright guys, go ahead, grab your stuff.
For the only time I'm gonna vlog.
Yeah, I know.
Because I literally gonna put my camera away. But we're about to hike Jade Mountain. And then
Wow, you ready? So ready. This is a fit.
So ready.
This is a fit. This is a fit.
Fashion week ready.
Whoa, fashion.
You know me?
Whoa.
Like,
Alright, I guess we gotta be the film now. Alright, we're starting our Yushan hike now.
I know we're gonna pass by 2 bathrooms. We will? Yeah.
Killing it.
Melissa, you want food?
Yummy.
Let's all do that. Hydrate. Oh, the wide angle.
I'm quite jealous of your shoes, Chris. Yes.
Are you paying for anything?
I can.
对。晚餐你们要吃5点还是5点半？5点。
What number?
I don't know.
哦，我们要
我们要拿哪一个睡袋？
都可以，
都可以拿。
然后你给他报号码就好了。
跟他报好。
Hey, crew, we got the bags. We got the bags.
This is all for me.
Yeah, it's all for you, man.
I don't even want to pee. Same. My wet pants.
So, if you decide to do Jade Mountain in 2 days, you would make a stop here overnight, the Pine Lodge. You got to share these bunk beds with some people. You could rent a sleeping bag so you don't have to bring your own, which is nice. So we did that. But yeah, this is where we'll rest for the night. And it's gonna be some good rest, cause wow, that was...
Just in my sleeping bag.
How are we doing, you guys? We're gonna get dinner and then probably just go back to bed because
There's nothing else to do
there's nothing else to do.
here.
We're so cold. We're all dying. Okay, so at the Pine Lodge, you also have the option of being fed. You gotta pay for it, but of course, we weren't gonna bring all that food up. So we're now getting dinner.
你好，好肉排，好。
谢谢。耶。
什么的，我拍的啊。我就拍了，还是你就直接照片拿去拿。哦，好好。
Yummy. Dinner time. Hey. Actually really good.
Yeah, it's really good. It's so good.
But you know, like they have to bring all of these ingredients up here.
Right? That's amazing.
Or maybe there's like a secret road. Your get up, what are you gonna do?
My getup?
Yeah.
These are shoe covers.
Such a look, yeah.
But I have like a children's raincoat for some reason. I don't know what my problem is. I don't know why I bought that. So my arms don't get covered. So I'm gonna just go like this.
Okay. Alrighty guys, good job day 1. We did it. Oh, come closer, my job massage girl. Great, hands in. Cool kids on 3. 1, 2, 3. Cool kids.
I didn't want to bring it to you. So I was only going to bring it if you didn't want it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, because I needed to keep my dress up.
Doing great, everyone? Nice.
Take a self-time.
We're all cold. Well, it'd be nice to come back when you can see things. But we did it. Time?
6:56.
6:56 in the morning. We did it in about 2 hours. Main peak, baby. Elevation. 3952 meters. We did it, you guys.
Yay.
I do it for the Philippines, baby! We did it! Yay! And now we're going down! Yay! Okay, wow! Hi at the tallest peak in all of East Asia. We did it! We're freezing, we're cold, and he's dancing.
I'm not dancing, I'm staying warm.
Everyone else is freezing. Okay, bye!